2. If you want to start a YouTube channel without showing your face, without buying a camera, and without learning complicated editing software, this video is for you. I'm going to show you, step by step, how to make faceless YouTube videos in CapCut from script, to voiceover, to B-roll, to final export. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to build a full video using just CapCut, stock footage, simple text, and, if you want an AI voiceover, no experience required, no fancy gear, just a clear, repeatable process you can use for every video on your faceless channel. Welcome to Xplore Revolution AI Hustle Hub, where we use AI to build smart, scalable online income streams and help you make money with AI. If you're dreaming of a faceless YouTube channel that you can run from your laptop, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how I make faceless YouTube videos in CapCut, step by step. You can literally follow along while you watch. Before we jump into CapCut, let's get clear on what we're actually making. A faceless video is simply a video where you never show your face on camera. The focus is on visuals, text, and voice, and you can stay completely anonymous if you want. Instead of vlogging or talking to the camera, you use stock footage, AI-generated images or graphics, screen recordings, and simple text and titles. This style is perfect for tutorials, list videos, motivational content, AI and tech explainers, and side hustle videos. CapCut is the tool we'll use to put it all together. Now, let me give you a quick overview of the full workflow, and then we'll go through each step in detail. The basic process to make a faceless YouTube video in CapCut looks like this. Step 1. Plan your topic and write a script. Step 2. Create your voiceover, either AI or your own. Step 3. Set up your project in CapCut. Step 4. Add your visuals and B-roll. Step 5. Add text, titles and simple animations. Step 6. Add background music and adjust audio levels. And Step 7. Export in 108p and upload to YouTube. That's it. 7 steps. We'll go through each one in a calm, clear way so you can follow it even if this is your very first video. Let's start with the foundation, your script. You can't edit a video that doesn't exist yet, so we start before CapCut. First, choose a simple, focused topic. For example, 5 AI tools that can run your YouTube channel for you, or how to start a faceless YouTube channel with AI, or, like this video, how to make faceless YouTube videos in CapCut. Then, write a short script, or at least an outline. You can do this yourself, or you can ask an AI tool to help. You could prompt it, write a 1,200-word YouTube script for a friendly, step-by-step tutorial called How to Make Faceless YouTube Videos in CapCut. Include a hook, intro, step-by-step guide, and outro with a call to action. Once you have a draft, read through it, remove anything confusing, add your own words, and make sure the steps are in a logical order. 2. Don't need a perfect script. You just need something clear that guides the viewer from start to finish. When your script feels good enough, it's time to turn it into audio. For faceless videos, the voiceover is usually the main narration your viewers hear. You have 2 options. Option 1 is to record your own voice. You can record directly in a recording app or even inside CapCut, using its voice recording feature. Just try to speak slowly and clearly. Stay close to your mic and avoid loud background noise. Don't worry about being perfect. If you mess up a line, pause, say it again, and you can cut the mistakes later. Option 2 is to use an AI voice. If you don't want to record your voice at all, you can use an AI text-to-speech tool. The process is simple. Paste your script into the tool, choose a natural voice that fits your channel, adjust the speed if needed, and download the final audio file. Once you have your voiceover, whether it's your voice or an AI voice, save the audio file where you can find it easily. Now we're ready to jump into CapCut. Xplore open CapCut on your phone or computer and follow along. Tap or click New Project. Choose a simple background or any clip to start with. You can replace it later. Set your aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube. Make sure your project is set to 108p for good quality. Next, import your voiceover audio. Tap Audio, then import your file. Drag it to the bottom audio track on the timeline. This audio will be the spine of your video. Everything else will line up with this. Zoom in on the timeline so you can clearly see where your intro, main sections, and outro are. Now, it's time to make this audio look like a video. This is where your faceless video comes alive. While the voiceover plays, we're going to stack visuals on top. Stock footage, AI-generated images, screenshots, or simple backgrounds. Think about matching visuals to what you're saying. If you say, you don't need a camera, just CapCut and a laptop, you could show a clean shot of a laptop on a desk, or someone editing a video on their computer. In CapCut, tap Add Video or Add Overlay, choose a clip or image, and place it on the timeline above your audio. Trim it so it matches the part of the voiceover you want it to show. You don't have to change clips every second. Let some shots stay on screen for 5 to 8 seconds. For a tutorial-type video like this, you can also use screen recordings of CapCut itself as BHRL, showing your timeline and tools. Add a blur or zoom effect to keep it dynamic. The goal is simple. There should always be something on screen that relates to what the viewer is hearing. Once you've covered the whole voiceover with visuals, we'll add text. Now, we're going to make your video more clear and professional by adding text. In CapCut, tap Text, then Add Text. Use text for things like the video title at the beginning, each step number, or short phrases from your script. For example, Step 1, Plan and Script. Step 2, Voiceover. Step 3, Set up CapCut project. Keep the text short and readable. Use large fonts and high contrast so people on phones can see it clearly. You can also add lower thirds with your channel name, or little labels like AI Voiceover or CapCut Timeline. Give your text a simple fade in and fade out animation so it doesn't feel static. Don't overdo it too. Don't need text on every second of the video. Just enough to help the viewer follow along. A bit of background music makes your video feel more polished, but it has to be quiet enough that people can hear your voice clearly. In CapCut, tap Audio, then Sounds, or import your own royalty-free music. Drag the music onto a separate audio track under your visuals. Tap on the music track and lower the volume, usually somewhere around 5 to 15%. Works well. Play a section where you talk and make sure your voice is always louder than the music. The music should support the video, not fight it. You can also fade the music in at the beginning and fade it out gently at the end. If there are silent parts of your voiceover, the music helps keep the video from feeling empty. Once your audio feels balanced, you're almost done. Now it's time to turn your project into a video file. In CapCut, tap Export. Choose 1080p resolution. Use a higher bitrate if your device can handle it. For better quality, export the video and save it to your device. Then, head over to YouTube and upload. Add your title, for example, How to Make Faceless YouTube Videos in CapCut, Step-by-Step Tutorial. Write a clear description explaining what you teach. Use tags related to faceless channels, CapCut AI, and YouTube tutorials. Add a thumbnail. A simple one with bold text like Faceless Video in CapCut can work. Once everything is ready, hit Publish. You've just created a full faceless YouTube video using CapCut. So, that's exactly how to make faceless YouTube videos in CapCut, step by step. You planned your topic, wrote a script, created a voiceover, added visuals, layered on text and music, and exported a full YouTube-ready video without ever showing your face. If you want to see more tutorials like this, especially how to combine CapCut with AI tools to speed up your scripts, voiceovers, and thumbnails, make sure you like this video, subscribe to Xplore Revolution AI, AI Hustle Hub, and leave a comment telling me what kind of faceless video you want to create next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.